Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Al. Today I'm going to show you how to do lamb shawarma. It is super tasty, it's full of flavour, it's a slow cooked lamb so it's really tender and juicy, and the hardest thing about lamb shawarma is getting the herbs out of the drawer. Seriously, it's that easy. Measure out your spices in a bowl and set them aside. Top and tail your onions and then peel them and then cut them thickly. Lay them in the bottom of your Dutch oven or baking tray. Laying the lamb on top of the onion slices will stop the bottom of the lamb from drying out or even worse, burning. So now I'm going to dump all these spices into the oil and garlic that I've popped in the food processor. Couldn't get easier. That's it. Give it a blitz. And there's your paste. Cover the entire piece of lamb with the herby, garlicky paste. Okay, so I just lay that in the Dutch oven, and any residual paste I just pile up on top of the lamb. So I meant to mention earlier, you can use a shoulder of lamb as well if you like, or lamb shanks would all work just as easily. I've used a leg today, but that's what I could get. And you don't have to marinate the lamb if you don't have time. Today I don't have time, so I'm not marinating. I'm just going to throw it straight in the oven. Before you put it in the oven, just pour 1 cup of water. So if this happens to evaporate, make sure you do top it up. Pop the lid on and pop it in the oven. Okay, so the lamb has been cooking for a couple of hours, and I now am just going to take the lid off and baste the top of the lamb with some of the water and the juices that have pooled at the bottom. And then I'm going to put it back in the oven for another, say, hour and a half to cook, and then it'll be ready. Straight out of the oven. Look at how delicious this is. You can hear the liquid still boiling, and the meat's come away from the bone beautifully. Let's dig in and see how it tastes. So the lamb is out of the oven, and we're going to dig in and give it a taste test. That is really flavorful. The spices meld together and they cut through the fattiness of that meat really nicely. I'm gonna have this tonight with some pita bread and some tzatziki dip and some salad, and the family loves it. You can also freeze it in the liquid that's pooled at the bottom, and defrost it in the microwave or just out on your bench top. In the liquid, and it is a delicious midweek meal as well. I really hope you give this one a go, and I really hope you enjoy it.